Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here today to talk about some of my new favorite fabrics or fabric companies that I've come across. Really like their product. So these fabrics are specifically for anything stretchy. So mostly what I'm looking for are fabrics for leggings that I wear under my skirts, because I always wear leggings under my skirt except for on really hot days, and I might wear shorts under my skirts, but typically I wear leggings. It's rare that I go without them because I just feel most comfortable that way. And my favorite fabric to make my leggings out of is a good thermal knit. And that might sound really odd, especially in the summertime. But what I have found with the thermal knit fabrics is that they not only keep my legs warmer in the winter months, they help keep them cooler on the hotter days. And unless it's really hot, then the skirts, I do find skirts are just the best thing to keep you cooled off. And then, like I said, a lot of times I wear shorts, even though shorts might not be needed. It's just I just feel more comfortable wearing something under my skirt. But anyway, I find thermal knit, surprisingly enough, keeps me cooler than I would expect. Well, if you think about it, it's a thermal knit. Just like you have a cooler that keeps things cool, you have things that keep things hot. The same principle applies because they're made to be thermal, so they hold in the heat or the cold and keep out the heat or the cold, depending on the situation. Now, a while back, I did do a video on how you can make your own leggings without a pattern, really. Well, you kind of need a pattern, but you can do it by just using an old pair of leggings that you really like the fit of as a pattern. You don't have to go out and buy a pattern. But anyway, in that one, I was using a thermal knit that I got from Amazon, and though I really liked it, it's never available anymore. So I had to go on the hunt for more, and every time it was the same thing. I always seem to find this every time. Hello, doggies. Every time that I'd find a fabric I really like, suddenly they're not carrying it anymore. Well, I finally did a hunt and started looking around at different places online besides Amazon, and I found a couple of companies that carry all natural fabrics. Well, most of their fabrics, at least on them, are natural fabrics, and they carry a lot of organic stuff. So the first company I want to talk about is called Nature's Fabric, and this is based in the US, and this is a US grown 100% organic cotton. And so I just made these pair of leggings the other day for myself, and they're so comfortable. Now, this is a thicker thermal knit than the stuff I was getting from Amazon, so I think it will also wear better. And then what I like to do is get just like a stretch, like a cotton lycra for the band. I don't like using elastic anymore. I used to love elastic, wore it all the time. I hate it now. I hate because at my stage in life, my skin is so sensitive to anything that I have to be, I just have a hard time. That's why I don't even wear my aprons anymore, because I can't stand the ties on my neck or my waist anymore. Everything hurts. So anyway, this is I love these so much, and I'm definitely going to be buying more. So I will be linking to these companies below. The other thing I really liked about Nature's Fabrics is that they sent me several samples of different fabrics that they have. And one of them here that out of this batch that they sent me that I'm just loving is this Bamboo Micra Sherpa. It's stretchy. It's got a two-way stretch. It doesn't stretch this way, but it stretches this way, and it's actually very stretchy this way. And so I might be trying some of this for making undertops and stuff like that. But oh, and I did want to say what I'm going to do. I made 2 pairs of leggings out of the fabric I got 2 yards, and then I have quite a bit extra, and I'm going to use that for making some more of my support tops that I wear. So I make my own support tops. I also have a video on how you can make your own. I'll go ahead and link to it right up here. And then there are some other ones, like here's a bamboo hemp stretch fleece, and this is very nice too. And then there's a couple of these that would be, here's a natural organic Sherpa, and here's a bamboo fleece. Oh, this one's super soft. This would make a good like sweat top kind of thing. See, here's an organic cotton velour, and then a bamboo soaker So this would be good for lining diapers or feminine napkins, which I don't have any videos out on how to make diapers. I've only made doggy diapers for the female dog that we had there for a while. But anyway, I don't have any videos on that, but I do have videos on how to make your own feminine napkins. I'll go ahead and link to that, at least one. I do them a little bit differently now than that particular video, but it's pretty close to the same. So anyway, I really recommend this company. Their stuff ships out fast. Their customer service is excellent. They really interact with you and keep you updated on what's going on. And their shipping is reasonable. They try to get the best shipping costs for you. So that I really appreciated. Now, the next company I want to talk about is called Simplify Fabrics. And they're actually based out of Canada. And I made myself these leggings from the fabric I got from there. Also, another very comfortable pair of leggings. So these and these are my most favorite ones now, and really great fabric. I believe this was all organic. It's been a while since I bought it, but I believe this was organic cotton, but it's 100% cotton. I always try to go to 100% cotton. Anyway, these were just really, again, very happy with this fabric. Decent price per yard. For me, the shipping was a lot more because it's coming out of Canada. So I did want to share this. If you're in Canada, this might be the choice, this company here. So that will be the second link that I'll put below if you want to check it out, because they have a bunch of stuff, but they tend to run out very quickly on their black and certain other colors. Black is my favorite, but you know, I don't mind gray or, you know, other darker colors. And so I also recommend this. And especially if you're in Canada, because you're going to get a better price on shipping. But another good thing about this company is they also let you build up rewards points that will take so much off your next order. You can just let them keep building. So a lot of great stuff in there. So be sure to check them out. And then the third one I wanted to share. Now this is all cotton lycra. It's not organic, and I did make myself a pair of leggings completely out of this. You know, notice I make my leggings a little loose. I don't like them really tight fitting. I used to like them tighter fitting before, but just like with elastic, I don't like anything too tight. It just gets uncomfortable. But anyway, so this was a really great price. This one was on Amazon, and hopefully they'll keep these up there for a while because they have tons of colors. This is a nice heavyweight cotton lycra. As you can see here, I got these. I got this fabric, this color, for wearing under my green skirt that I made for my son's wedding, which I also wore to the presentation that I gave at the homesteading fair on May 4th. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link to that right up here. Just keep in mind the sound is, you know, because I didn't have a microphone and there was a lot of background noise going on, both not so much in the room, most of it was coming from outside. And so I really needed a microphone, and I just didn't even think about it. But anyway, that's the skirt that I made these to go with. Now, very great fabric, very comfortable as well. I don't like cotton lycra as much as I do thermal knit, but it's still a very comfortable fabric that holds its shape. It's definitely thicker than the last stuff I bought, and for a pretty reasonable price. I think I paid $20 for 2 yards and then got free shipping on it. And like I said, they have, you can get like 1 yard cut, you can get a cut of 2 yards, you save a little bit more by doing that, or you can even get a cut of 5 yards and save even more, you know, because you're buying in bulk. And then I think there's free shipping on all of them. I think all of them are eligible for the free shipping. So I recommend this too, and I will link to it below, and you can check out all the colors. I may get some more of this because I would kind of like some navy blue, but my top favorites are going to be the thermal knits for that. But either way, I like having this kind of cotton lycra on hand because this is what I use for doing the waistbands on all of the leggings that I make for myself. And so anyway, I just wanted to talk about that for people who are into making their own clothes. And I also have, if I have any iCards left up here, I also have a video showing how just to make a simple basic shell, just a, you know, a sleeveless top. And then I have another one, which I'll link to that here, but then I have another one showing how to make sleeves to add to that same basic top. And so anyway, those are really comfortable, very, very easy to make. And some of these fabrics here I can see working very nicely on those kind of tops, just like, you know, also for the undertops that I make. So anyway, okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a few ideas. And again, I recommend these products. You know, looking for the best prices on, organic fabrics, especially like you're looking at organic cotton, it can be hard to find, especially for a decent price. But you're gonna, if that's what you feel best about, you're gonna have to expect to pay more. Now, these companies also have some non-organic stuff if that's not as important to you, and then you can save a little bit more money by doing that. And like I said, the stretch knit here, this is gonna be your best bet for price. Not organic, but very well made fabric and just a great price and free shipping. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.